Hi, I'm josephrlewis, and I write adventures. And this is one more little short video where I talk about my latest adventure, Lovely Jade Necropolis. And this is the announcement where I tell you that it is now available in print. I've got all the proofs back. It took a little bit of finagling to get all of the covers to look exactly the way I wanted, and to get the spines looking very nice and neat. But it's all done, and now you can get Lovely Jade Necropolis in paperback from DriveThruRPG, from Lulu, and from Amazon.com. And I imagine they'll be available in the Cairn store pretty soon as well. So we'll keep an eye out for that. But for right now, if you were holding off on making your purchase until the paperback was available, it's now available. And I think they look pretty great. Yeah, that's about it. So Lovely Jade Necropolis, now available in print. It's a nice little softcover book. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Thank you for bearing with me and watching all these videos about it. I will promise try not to talk about it very much anymore, but I just wanted to share that with you. So if you wanted to get it, now's the time. Again, it's on DriveThruRPG, Amazon, and Lulu. Thanks so much. Good luck out there.